Welcome guys, in this video we will show how to measure the temperature and humidity of a day using the Arduino. One DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor and some jumper cables. In this video we will show how to check the temperature and humidity of a present day using Python and Arduino IDE. So here it's a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. It has a 3 pin. The first one is VCC, the middle one is data pin, and the last one is ground. We will connect the jumper cables. First one in the VCC, second one in the data pin, and third one in the ground pin. Now in the Arduino there are some digital pins along there are VCC and ground pin also. So we'll take the DHT11 sensor and the VCC pin will go to the 5-volt power input to the Arduino. It takes the power from Arduino and runs, and then wait a minute. And then the ground pin will connect to the ground of Arduino, and the data pin I will connect to the digital 8-pin of Arduino. Now coming to the programming part, here I have included the simple dht.h header file, and in the setup part I have given the serial.begin9600 baud rate. In the void loop part, if any serial data available in the port, then it will start the loop and give the temperature and humidity according as the day. Now coming to the Python programming part, here is a program that takes command from the user as a voice, and according to the order of the user it executes its program. Now it is the main program which is related to this Arduino part. If the user say what is the temperature or any other query which is related to temperature, then it will come to the this programming part, and it will execute the temperature and humidity of the present day. Now it's time to upload the code to the Arduino. Now I'm uploading the code. Uploading, done uploading. Now going to the serial monitor. If we press the character A, then according to the code of the Arduino, it will send the temperature and humidity of the present day. Now I am pressing the character A, send the character, and 91 is the temperature and humidity. Now going to the Python programming part, if I take command from the user and send to the Python program, then what it will do, it will just send the character A to the Arduino, and accordingly Arduino will give the temperature and humidity of the present day. Now I'm running the code. Running. What is the temperature?
Sir, 33 degrees centigrade is the temperature and 75% is the humidity.
Now I'll stop the code. Thanks for watching.